Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to delete posts on Bereal. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. Don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and search Bereal login and little bit scroll down and tap on Bereal login. Tap on profile and tap on my profile and little bit scroll down and you can see three dot of top corner right side and you can see the option delete post and you can easy to delete your post on Bereal. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you, take care, bye bye.